Eat seafood ramen with me. I have clams, crab, shrimp, bok choy, rice cakes, shumai. Basically, it's like shrimp dumplings. An egg, mussels, clams, bean sprouts, an egg, and of course, ramen noodles. I also have some kimchi. Let's put some on our lid to have some of it cool off. Our shrimp. Cheers. This ramen is so good. Have you tried the Shin gold ramen? It's really, really, really good. You really need to try to make this ramen. Crab. That's too hot to eat. Rice cake. Some kimchi on there. Mussel. Shrimp. Clam. Give this recipe a try. I put the recipe in previous to this one.